Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to conjugate and pronounce the two important verbs être and avoir. These two are very necessary to learn because they also help in forming past tense, and they are very different from other verbs because they don't follow any pattern of conjugation and they have their own way of conjugation and pronunciation. So now I'll show you how to conjugate the verb être. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. And now the verb avoir. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. I hope you've got the right pronunciation and you can see the difference in their conjugations. Now I will tell you how to use the verb être in different contexts. The meaning of the verb être is to be. As you can see on the screen, the following sentences are formed with être. Je suis français. Tu es belle. Il est content. Elle est grande. Nous sommes anglais. Vous êtes petit. Ils sont gros. Elles sont jolies. These words which are highlighted are the either nationalities or adjectives. The verb être is used with professions, nationalities, and adjectives. So, if you want to say I am French, you can say je suis français. Now, I'll tell you what is the use of the verb avoir. The verb avoir has two meanings. First of all, it is used in the sense to have, and it was also used to tell the age. The age is expressed in French with the help of the verb avoir. So the first sentence is j'ai 10 ans. So to tell the age, you have to use the verb avoir. Tu as une voiture. You have a car. Il a un stylo. He has a pen. Elle a un cahier. She has a notebook. Nous avons une maison. We have a house. Vous avez des amis. You have friends. Ils ont un livre. They have a book. Elles ont un crayon. So I have also some exercises for you to practice these two verbs. So you can see these sentences in English on the screen. And now it is up to you to decide which verb to use. First sentence is I am. Second, you are beautiful. He is tall. She is 5 years old. Next is they have a book. So now you can decide which verb to use and then I'll tell you the answers. So, I am in French is je suis. You are, as we have learned, is tu es, être. Tu es belle. He is tall. Il est grand. Grand is an adjective which means tall. She is 5 years old. As we have discussed before, age is always used with the help of avoir. Elle a 5 ans. Ils ont un livre. Hope you liked this video and learned these two verbs, être and avoir. For more French lessons, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.